Hello there! I'm coming at you today with another thought experiment. I still don't even know if this is really a thought experiment, but I'm coming at you today with another question. Alright? Before I give you the question, I want to give you a piece of information that kind of explains why this is on my mind. Alright, so there's something called quantum supremacy. And this is something that I've brought up to many people, and it seems like most people don't know what it is. So that's why I want to tell you what it is, okay? So quantum supremacy is a theoretical point in which a quantum computer will become more powerful than all the other computers on Earth. So if you don't know what a quantum computer is, it's kind of like a normal computer. A normal computer works off a series of bits. They either can be on or off, like the ones and zeros. I'm sure you're familiar with that. But a quantum computer uses something called qubits or quantum bits, and those can be on and off at the same time. So the computing power is exponential with a quantum computer. So the quantum computers are kind of like in their infancy, okay? Now, this theoretical point has actually been reached. It was reached in October of 2019, and I remember when it happened, I was like, whoa, dude. This is crazy, and I'll bring it up to people, and no one really even knew what that is. So look, to put this in perspective, they gave the quantum computer a computational problem that would take the most advanced computer here on Earth 10,000 years to solve. And it did it in like 200 seconds. And the reason why this is really interesting to me, one of the many reasons why this is interesting to me, is if you look at the quantum computer, it's Google. They're the ones that achieved this quantum supremacy, okay? If you look at their computer, it looks like a Stone Age computer. If you look at like the first digital computer like back in the 1940s, that thing was like huge. It looked like it took up a whole room, and it was basically just a calculator. So this big old quantum computer that they have now is already more powerful than the most advanced supercomputers. And if you know what Moore's law is, that's basically a theory that says that computational power will double about every 2 years. So far, it's been spot on. You can see your iPhone. You remember back in the day when you had an iPhone and you just like had that thing, or not iPhone, you had a regular phone. You kind of had it for longer, right? Now the technology is just going so fast. All right? So here's the thought question for today. Given the nature of how fast technology is advancing in AI, artificial intelligence, at what point are you willing to kind of allow computers to make decisions for you? So think of it like this. So computers now can beat the best chess players on Earth, right? So let's say you're playing chess. You probably kind of surrender your choice to make a move and say, you know what, computer, you make that choice for me, you know, because like the computer knows best, right? But as it advances, I'm certain that computers will be more integrated within society, making more and more decisions. So and the real question that I have for you is, are you okay with computers making ethical decisions for yourself? So like, let's say if you're a female, you get pregnant and the computer makes a decision on whether or not you have the abortion. I'm not saying that having an abortion is right or wrong. I'm just saying that that's an example. Are you willing to kind of surrender that choice over to a robot? Or if somebody's on death row and instead of a jury, now it's a computer that's making these decisions on whether or not to send somebody to life for prison, or whether or not to kill somebody, those kind of things. So, I'm curious your thoughts now, obviously, because you'll answer it now. I'm sure that as time goes on, many of you will change your position, I'm certain. But at the very least, if you don't engage in this video, if you don't comment or give your thoughts, what I want you to do is just take a mental kind of bookmark and think about how you respond to this question right now, and kind of remember that, and then contrast it as it will change in time. That's it for the video, guys. I want to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments below. God bless you all. Peace.